guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a hair review. Yay! So today I'm reviewing this hair. Look at me. Woo! Beauty Forever sent me this hair. They actually sent me two. Okay, so this is a body wave, Brazilian body wave. I've got 4 bundles, 22, 22, 20, 22, and 18 inches frontal. You all, I love the frontal. Like, look at that. It's very wide. That's why I can create this long pad. Okay, let's talk about this hair. By the way, there's a code for you all, so I'm going to put the code right here so you all can use this code to just get some discount. Okay, so yeah, so this hair came in this pack. Look at this pack, gorgeous. I love the packaging. I'm going to put the link to this hair down below, link to Beauty Forever website as well down below. So all their link is going to be down below, and the discount code as well. Don't forget, everything's going to be down below. Okay, let's talk about the price. The price is very affordable. This is the Brazilian hair, 22, 22, 20. There are 4 bundles of 22 inches, and the frontal is wide. Okay, the price is very reasonable because you all, I have to wear this hair like a while before I can review them. I'm going to be rating the hair from 1 to 5. Okay, and for the price, I'm going to give the price a 4 because it's not the cheapest hair. Okay, it's very cheap, very affordable. It's not the cheapest. Okay, yeah, so 4 stars for the price. The customer service, I'm going to give them 5 stars. From 1 to 5, I'm going to be giving all the stars 5 stars. Excellent, very good customer service. The shipping, oh my god, really fast. The shipping is fast. I love the packaging because the packaging has a care instruction, which is good. I love when hair companies have the care instruction. Okay, yeah, and it's really portable as well, which I like. So for the packaging, I'm going to give them a 4. Okay, so for the texture, you all, the hair feels nice, but texture feels good, but the density is not great. So yeah, I'm going to give them a 3 because I love my hair thick hair. Silky hair is not silky. Okay, so even because it came in body wave, as soon as I just washed the hair, like when I dyed hair, because this hair came in color 1B, I have to dye them to jet black because I love my jet black, and I have to bleach the knots as well. Okay, so, and I have to plug the edges as well. But overall, the texture is good, but it's not silky because I try to straighten it because it came in body wave. Sometimes when I buy body wave, I can still straighten, then I get that silky straight hair, but it's not that silky straight. So yeah, I'm gonna give it, for the texture, I'm gonna give the texture a 3 because of that. Because of those reasons, I'm gonna give the texture, because of the density and of the overall, the cord pattern, the knot stay, and all of those kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna give them a 3. Coloring, for the coloring, I'm gonna give the coloring a 5 because I did dye jet black. I used Dark and Lovely, and it did dye really well, very well. So I'm gonna give them a 5 for that. The frontal, oh my god, I love the frontal. The frontal came pre-plucked already, which is good, but I still have to pluck it. But if you don't know how to pluck the hair, you can still use them. It's not that bad. So for the frontal, and the fact that the frontal is really wide, I love that. So I'm going to give them a 5 for the frontal, a 5 for me. Okay, then for the length is excellent because I measured the length when it arrived. The length is fine. For the quality, because there's no shading. Okay, for the quality, what am I going to, for the quality, for the length, I'm going to give them a 5 stars for the length. For the frontal, 5 stars. For the quality, I'm going to give them a 3 because of the density and the overall color. Like when it came in color 1B, like really brown. Okay, that I don't like that brown color that it came with. Some people love the brown color because I know most people, when I do their hair, they're like, oh, do you have the brown color? But I love my hair jet black or bright. Okay, so for that, for the quality, I'm going to give them a 3. If you weigh the quality and the price, I'm going to give them a 4. But overall, I'm going to give them a 3. Okay, the hair is good value for your money. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. You are going to ask me to recreate this look, so because of that, I filmed the look, so it's going to be in the same video. So stay tuned, and yeah, and I'm going to show you how I kind of install this frontal as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.